We are so pleased to be here in this city. After the whole waiting we've been doing, coming here to Barcelona, having this date in May is phenomenal.
If we talk about during the pandemic, and we know it was obviously a very difficult time for events like this, what was that like then, and what's it like now post-pandemic?
So for ISE during the pandemic, obviously we're in the live events business, and having a shutdown for everything to do with conferences, exhibitions, concerts, you name it, we, like many of our customers in this sector, suffered. We tried to do some hybrid events, and I think we were able to satisfy some people who would have attended by being part of that. But it's very different to being at in-person events, touching, feeling. We're in a business where you need to see and hear.
Mike, I'd like to talk about impact, and there are different ways that we can look at that. So let's start with the impact on Barcelona, the city itself.
UFI, Union de Foire Internationals, and that's the global organization for exhibition organizers. They have a calculation on what impact an exhibition brings to the cities. And exhibitions are always a major catalyst for any trade. And on their calculations, they think that ISE will probably bring in something like 250 million euros into the city in the days we're here now. And as we grow, we would anticipate that to grow to about €500 million by 2026. And then the AV industry growing. AVIXA anticipates that the industry will be worth more than $329 billion by 2026. And in Spain, we're seeing an average growth of between 6 and 7% annual GDP.
Let's look at the actual impact on the audiovisual industry now.
We believe that the way this industry will grow makes a huge future for us. This market alone will be worth about $3 billion by 2026. So that's where it's going. Immediate effect, we already know of 3 companies who've set up their operations here in Barcelona as a result of ISE moving here, and we anticipate there'll be many more.
What I'd like to know now is, what can the visitors walk away with after this experience?
ISE is about everything to do with AV, and AV touches all parts of our lives. And that means from the residential solutions that you'll see in your home, right up to what you have at work, what you might experience in a hotel meeting space or a hotel room, even to football stadiums. You see in more and more shopping retail chains using AV to enhance the experience for their customers. And that's the sort of technology you will see here at ISE. These are the sort of solutions that you'll find all over the show floor.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.